Good morning, dear students. Uh, Already you know that today is Friday and Friday our math class is there. So last class already we completed the exercise 1.7. So now our last exercise 1.8 is there. The last exercise based on the Roman numbers. Okay. So the Roman numerals. What is the Roman numerals? Yes, we already you learned in the class 5th. What is the Roman numerals? Okay. So I will revise one time. So just take care and see properly. Okay. So exercise 1.8 Roman numeral system. So the value of in Indian numerals and the Roman numerals. Okay. So already I think this table you learned in the class 5th. So once again I revise. 1 means I, 5 means V, 10 means X, 50 means L, 100 means C, 500 means D, and 1000 means M. Okay. So I think already you know that about this. And the second value, the Roman numerals and the value. The Roman numerals V I N I. It means in the front of there is no less than more than symbol before V. So directly we will add all of this, and in these things we have to subtract. Okay, just take care. First is V. V means 5 and I means 1 5 के बाद में क्या है 1 और 1 है. It means 5 के बाद में सब छोटे आ रहे हैं तो उनको क्या कर देंगे ऐड करेंगे 5 plus 1 then 7. X means 10 afterwards 1 then also 10 के बाद में 1 आ रहा है तो 10 plus 1 it means 13. L means 50, X means 10. L के बाद में 50 का बाद में क्या 10 आ रहा है तो उनको प्लस करेंगे 50 plus 10 plus 5 then 65. C means 100, L means 50, X means 10 and V means 5. So directly we will add all of this. But here just take care. Roman numerals first I and V it means 1 and 5. So 1 पहले आ गया और 5 बाद में आ गया. It means 5 minus 1 then 4. X means 10 and L means 50. तो 10 पहले आ गया और 50 बाद में आ गया. So क्या होगा इसमें 50 minus 10 then 40. X C वापस 100 and 10. तो 10 पहले आ गया तो 100 minus 10 then 90. C D means 1000. D means 500 and C means 100. So 500 minus 100 then 400. And C M means 1000 and C means 100. So 1000 minus 100 then 900. So you have to take care both of this table like this we have to solve. Okay, so take the screenshot and write it in a notebook. So one more last table is there. So you have to write all of this table in the notebook and just learn what is the meaning of L, what is the meaning of D and whatever is there. So okay, to next class. This symbol is called bar. What? Bar. This symbol is called bar. And bar means 1000. Bar means 1000. So V bar. V means 5 and 1000 means bar. So 5 multiply 1000 then 5000. X means 10 and bar means 1000. So 10 multiply 1000 then 10,000. L means 50 and bar means 1000. So 50 multiply 1000 then 50,000. And C means 100 and bar means 1000. So 100 multiply 1000 then 1 lakh. Okay. So this is one more last table. So now we are going to start our exercise. Just see on the board and try to understand. If you face any problem then directly you can ask. Okay. Take the screenshot and write in the notebook. Okay. So next the question number first of exercise 1.8. Write the value of the following Roman numerals. Roman numerals आपको दिए हुए and you have to write the A, B, and this is C and this is D. And write the value of the following Roman numerals. आपको क्या करना है इनकी value लिखनी है. Just follow the rules. L means yes. L means 50. X means 10. Again X means 10. Again X means 10 and 1 and 5. So result is 50 plus 60, 70, 80, 85 and 86 is your answer. Okay. Any doubt? Sorry. This is 4. This is 4. It means 5 minus 1. Okay. 5 minus 1. So 50 plus 10 plus 10 plus 4. So answer is 84. Okay. Because the first is 1 afterwards 5. 5 के पहले 1 आ गया so इनको क्या करेंगे minus. Again here C means 100. Yes. तो 100 plus again 100 plus again 100. L means 50, x means 10 plus 10 plus 10, then 1 and x. So plus x means 10 minus 1, or diagonally you can write 9. Instead of this diagonally you can write 9 also. Okay, so 100 100 300 350 360 370 380 380, and 10 minus 1 9, so 389 is your answer. Okay, the next CD. So C means yes 100 and D means 500. So C पहले आ गया, इसलिए क्या करेंगे 500 minus 100 और plus L means 50 and X पहले आ गया, अगेन क्या होगा 50 minus 10 and V means 5 and I means plus 1. So 400 plus 40 plus 5 plus 1. Okay, so 400 plus 40, CD, question is CD XL VI. Okay, then 440 and plus 6, so 446 is your answer. Any doubt? Okay, then next last C bar. This is C bar, and already I know told you C bar. C means 1000, sorry 100, and bar means 1000. So the result is this. Okay, so instead of this directly you can write 1000000 plus 2C again 100 plus 100. X means 10 and L means 50. So X पहले आ गया, क्या होगा 50 minus 10 and plus 1. Okay, so this is your answer is 1000000 1 2 3 4 5 1 2 3 4 5 plus 100 200 plus 40 and plus 1. So the result is 100241 is your final answer. So I think you understood how to change the Roman numerals in the Indian system. So this is the way to change the Roman numerals in the Indian system. So take the screenshot and write in a notebook. And if you face the problem, then you can ask. So the next second question. Write the Roman numerals for the following numbers. अब आपको Indian numbers दिए हुए हैं and you have to be right in the Roman numerals. So let's take care. Just see on the board how to solve. 1256 means 1000. 200 means 100 plus 100 and 15 means 50 and 6 means 6. So what is the meaning of 1000? Anyone can say? 1000 means yes M. 100 and 100. 100 means 2C. 50 means L and 6 means V, and this is your answer. V and I. Okay. So this is your answer. This is the way to change the Roman number. Sorry, the Indian number in the Roman number. Next, 2350 is again 2000 plus 300 means 100 plus 100 plus 100 plus 50 plus 6. So 1000 means M and 2000 means 1000 plus 1000. So you can write 1000 plus 1000. So 2 times M. 100 means C, 50 means L and V, I. So this is your answer. Okay, read out M, C, V, L, V, I. Then next one, 1000 and 000 plus 500 plus 20. 20 means plus 10 plus 10. So already you know that 1000. So this is 2 times 1000 means 1000 into 1000. The meaning of this number is 1000 into 1000 plus 500 plus 10 plus 10. So 1000. What is the meaning of 1000? The meaning of 1000 is M. So 1000 into 1000 means bar. So M bar, and 500 means D, and X and X. This is your answer. Okay, I think you understood. and out. The next 6253. Then 6253 means 6000 plus 100 plus 100 plus 50 plus 3. So 6000 means first we have to write 5000 plus 1000 and plus 100 plus 100 plus 50 plus 3. So 5000. So in the table already I told you V means 5 and bar means 1000. So this is the 5000. 5000 means V bar. So 5000 means V bar. 1000 means M. 100 means C. 50 means L and 3 means 1, 2, 3. So this is your answer. So this is the way how to change the Indian system in the Roman numeral. So I think you understood. If you feel the problem, then you can ask. But I think you understood and this is too much easy. So just try to solve the examples and the rest, the question number 3rd and 4th. Okay. So take the screenshot and write in a notebook. So the next, the third question, which of the following Roman numbers are correct? मतलब इसमें से कौन सा रोमन नंबर जो है वो सही है. तो ये कैसे फाइंड करते हैं? तो ये फाइंड करने के लिए आपको पहले क्या करना पड़ता है, इनका ऑर्डर चेक करना है कि रोमन नंबर्स जो दिए हुए होंगे वो करेक्ट वही होगा जो पहले इनके असेंडिंग ऑर्डर में हो, मतलब सॉरी डिसेंडिंग ऑर्डर में हो. क्या ऑर्डर में हो? डिसेंडिंग, मतलब बड़ा पहले हो और बाद में छोटे से छोटे बढ़ते जाए. ऐसा नहीं कि पहले छोटे आ रहे हैं फिर बाद में बड़े आते जाए. तो वो वाले सब रॉन्ग होंगे, वो रोमन नंबर्स नहीं है, नॉट पॉसिबल. एंड द रेस्ट ऑल आर द रोमन नंबर. द फर्स्ट C means 1000. C means 100. M means 1000. It means 1000 minus 100, then 900 is possible. Afterwards L means 50. So this is a Roman number. This is true. X means 10. D means 500. V means 5 and I. So this is possible or not? सीधा 500 आ गया और यहाँ पे सीधा x आ गया. 500 minus 10, यहाँ पे 100 वाली टर्म होनी चाहिए थी. तो this is not a Roman number. Okay. Then next L means 50, M means 1000. Afterwards D means 500. ऐसा पॉसिबल नहीं है 1000 के बाद में सीधा 500 आ जाए. तो ये भी रोमन नंबर नहीं है. Next M means yes, M means and D. What is the meaning of M? M means 1000, D means 500, C means 100. So this is possible. This is a Roman number. Next I means 1, L means 50, X means 10. So it is not possible. 1 सीधा 50 के पहले यहाँ पे 10 आना चाहिए. It is not possible. Not a Roman number. C means 100, L means 50, X means 10 and V means 5. So this is possible. This is a Roman number. Descending order is there. Just see 100, 50, 10 and 5. So this is Roman number. Okay. And this is also Roman number. 1000. D means 500. C means 100. C means 100. But the meaning of CM is 1000 minus 100. Okay. And plus L means 50. So this is also Roman. Next, first I and V, L and M is in the last time. So this is not a Roman number, and this last one M is also last time. So this is not a Roman number. So the Roman number is only A, D and F. These three is only Roman numbers. Okay. So how to find out that is Roman number or not? Just see the numbers. If the numbers is given in the descending order, means bigger to smaller, then it is possible that Roman number. But last में जो सबसे बड़ा नंबर दे दिया जाए तो वो Roman number possible नहीं होता. So take the screenshot and write in a notebook. Okay students, then next fourth question, match the Roman numerals with their correct value. Roman numerals को उनकी correct value के साथ match करना है. So this is the match the following. Don't see the answer backside and directly match. Okay, don't do like this. You have to solve all of this. Afterwards, whatever you get, directly match like this. Don't see the answer the backside and directly match. Just see first one. How to solve? M means 1000. M means again 1000. C means 100, but D means 500. So 500 minus 100. Afterwards, X means 10. and V means 5 and I means 4, then 5 minus 1, so 1000 is 2400 plus 10 plus 6, the result is 2416. This is your first match. So where is the number? Sorry, 4. 2414. The first number is this, so you have to match like this. So like this you have to solve. You have to solve all of the number, and whatever you got the result, that's what that type of you have to match. Next, C bar. C means 1000 and bar means multiply by 1000. So 1000 multiplied by 1000 plus M means, sorry, C means 100, bar means 1000, M means 1000, D means 500, L or X. L means 50 and X means 10. So this is your 1 lakh plus 1500 plus 60. So the result is 1001,560. Sorry, this is 101560. The result is this. So you have to match this number by this. Any doubt? So this is the way you have to solve each and every number, and afterwards you have to match. When I will check your notebook now, when school will open, then I will see this question particularly especially. Okay, you have to solve each of the following, this and this. Afterwards, when you get the result now, then you match. Okay, so first solve all of this. Already 2 I solved, that 3, 4 you solved, and you got the result. Afterwards you match. Don't see directly the back side, and don't want to try directly the match from the C back side. Okay, so I think you understood how do we will match the number. So first you find the result of this number. Afterwards, when you got now, then you see which number is there, then you match. Okay, so this is your last 4 questions completed, and your exercise 1.8 is also completed, and your chapter first is also completed. So I think you understood the whole chapter first, and now in the next class we are going to begin. We are beginning of our next chapter, second, integers. Okay, so just make sure that you make all homework in your notebook, and you solve all the questions. If you face the problem, if you feel the problem, then you can ask. But you solve all the questions in your notebook and match the following. Solve like this. Okay, especially, and make sure that your homework is completed. When school will start, then I will check your notebooks. So make sure that, and once again that first chapter is completed, and now when next class we will start our next second chapter, integers. Okay, thank you.